Hello, dear students. Today we are going to read and understand a poem whose title is The Secret of Happiness, written by Helen Steiner Rice. Helen Steiner Rice was an American writer and a businesswoman. She is often referred to as the poet laureate of inspirational verse. She is best known for her poems The Secret of Happiness, When I Must Leave You, The Priceless Gift of Christmas, and The Praying Hands. So, dear students, let us read and understand the poem called The Secret of Happiness. Everybody everywhere seeks happiness, it's true, but finding it and keeping it seems difficult task to do. Here the poet says that everyone in the world wants to be happy and searches happiness. But finding it and keeping it is a difficult task to do. It is difficult because we think that happiness is found only in the places where there is wealth and fame. And so we go on searching in palaces of pleasure. Means we search for happiness only in the places where there is wealth and popularity. Seeking recognition and monetary treasure. We only look for admiration and monetary treasure, unaware that happiness is just a state of mind within the reach of everyone. We think that happiness can only be achieved due to wealth, but the poet says that happiness can be achieved by helping someone who takes time to be kind, for in making others happy, we will be happy too. For the happiness you give returns to shine on you. So the poet has very correctly said that if we want to be happy, then we should try to make others happy, because the thing that we give comes back to us. So this poem teaches a very good lesson to all of us, that we should always try to help others, and we should do to others as we wish them to do to us. So, I hope, children, you have understood the poem, The Secret of Happiness. Thank you and have a nice day.